This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by focusing on the exact break. This guides your repair choice. Open the claw and remove debris so you can see the split or cracked petal base. Use pliers gently to spread joints for access and a needle to clear hardened glue. Once done, test how parts align without force because alignment prevents stress later. Make sure to note which pieces are decorative versus structural so you can plan glue points. This first action saves time and avoids gluing misaligned parts permanently. You now restore the petal connections and any decorative mounts. Sanding creates a key for the adhesive, which explains why you do it. Place a tiny bead of clear glue on the joint and press pieces together, holding with a clothespin or soft clamp. Once set for a few minutes, reinforce by adding a second thin layer to the inside where it won't show. If a pin is missing, bend a needle into a tiny shaft and insert it as a mechanical anchor before gluing so the fix carries load. You reassemble the flower onto the claw, aligning tabs carefully so petals sit evenly. This prevents future catches. Operate the clip slowly 10 to 15 times to settle glue and reveal binding spots, then sand or file those high points. If motion is stiff, use a tiny drop of paraffin or dry lubricant, not oil, on the hinge. If problems persist, inspect hinge alignment and the spring. Replacing the wire spring or regluing internal mount usually solves recurring failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.